Hello everyone, my name is Suci Rahmawati and I want to talk about we are the guardians of the earth, not just the heirs. Let me start with a memory. When I was a child, I used to follow my grandfather into the garden behind our house. We had plant trees, watered the soil, and sometimes just sit quietly listening to the wind whisper through the leaves. One day he told me, "This earth does not belong to us. We are just God's here, so treat it with care." Back then, I nodded without thinking much of it. But now his words echo in my heart more than ever. For a long time, I believe we simply inherited this planet from our parents like an old house passed down through generation. But I have come to realize if we only see ourselves as heirs, we become passive, we accept, we consume, but we don't necessarily protect. There was a time in my life when I was not paying attention. I used single-use plastic almost daily. I threw away trash without a second thought. I bought things I did not need, things that would eventually just become waste. And the hardest part to admit, I was contributing to the epidemic I claim to care about. But change comes slowly, not with grand gesture, but with small intentional choice. I started carrying my own water bottle. I learned how to compost. I tried growing herbs just to remind myself that life can still grow in small space. And I learned this: caring for the earth is not about being perfect. It's about being present, being mindful in the choice we make every single day. We are living in a pivotal time. We are not the generation that can say, "We'll fix it later." We are the generation that must decide, will the earth remain green or become a fading photograph? And so I ask you, what will you leave behind for those who have not been born yet? I don't want my future children to only see forests in books or ocean in documentaries. I want them to walk on rich soil, to breathe clean air, to hear the hum of nature, not the hum of machines. That's why I have chosen to be a guardian, not a silent heir, but a conscientious protector. And I believe with all my heart, each of us can make that choice too. Because this earth does not need perfect people, it needs people who care, who act, who love deeply even if they will never see result in their lifetime. Thank you.